Yo, 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 yo. What up, what up, what up, what up? Let me get the music. Alright, so I'm looking to take gold buys here, but I need a more of a bottom wick, honestly, on this 30 minute. I want to see it, like, kind of tap into this area, honestly. But, so it's either I wait for more of a bottom wick, or we wait for the 1 hour to close. I think we might need to wait for the 1 hour to close, honestly. Get a nice 1 hour support here. We never broke, so let's look at the day, right? This daily candle left with no top wick, absolutely melted the whole ways down, tapped into this support here, right? Or into the top of this range we have right here. Right, let me zoom out the daily a little bit, right? So we're tapping into here. I want to see this flip. Like, I'm bullish for gold today, right? I will say, though, let me turn this down some. I will say though, if we break the daily low, then my bias changes to sells. But we still haven't broken that daily low. We're still currently rejecting this area right here. So let's see how the 1 hour closes. In my opinion, I think that'll be the deciding factor for what happens here. Just because it's like, okay, we had a M15 print here, right at this exact area. We had a support, drove up with no top wick, closed with no top wick, right? So it wouldn't make sense to just take buys just yet. We shorten GJ. Let's look at GJ, bro. I haven't honestly looked at it. I was bullish for GJ and gold. Let's see what GJ looks like though. Oh yeah, GJ looking like she wanna melt, bro. Daily candle made a nice top wick, went up, rejected. 4 hour just broke previous 4 hour lows. I think if we can come and close below this area here at 167, we should see beautiful sells, bro. Called it in the chat a minute ago. Let me look. Yeah, I did see all this right now. Saw it when I was turning the stream on. I honestly thought it was over. Or I thought earlier I meant. Beautiful though, beautiful though. Yo, what up, MM? Let me get this out on Instagram real quick, and then I'll look at Naz in that too. I took gold. No, I didn't take anything yet. I'm looking to see if we can maybe take buys or if it breaks. My bias has been bullish all day. I've been waiting for it to come and close above 1958 because the daily candle ain't even make a top wick at all or nothing. Still has a chance to. We haven't broken previous daily low. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But if we close below this area here, I will say my buy, or if we break the daily low, my bias instantly changes. Where the fuck did I put my hat, bro? I just had it. I wanted to wear it today. I was looking for it yesterday. I think I threw it on my bed somewhere. Hey. Would have been some nice impulsive buys at resistance, because it's a heavy resistance. What do you mean by that? You mean support? There we go. We got the hat on now, though. Ha ha ha. Oh, let me get rid of this. We didn't take anything on gold. That's why you're asking. We just started the stream. Support, my bad. Yeah. Yeah, I got what you mean. Yeah, I mean, these buys would have definitely probably been nice. I think, especially after, like, maybe, I don't know, like, this 5-minute candle came close above, this one came back down, broke that low, and then the next one went up with no top wick or nothing. And then closed with no top wick. Let me fucking... Should be busting, bro. I think that we might need to wait, bro. Just play it patiently. Let me get this up on the gram real quick, though, bro. Where the fuck I'm looking at? Alright, what up to the Instagram family? So we are now live on the YouTube. Just went live. Possibility for some gold buys or sells. We might see some action here soon, boys. So pull up. Not gonna lie. I hope you wouldn't. I see it going up. I do too. I'm still bullish until we break previous daily low, right? If we don't break it, then I'm still bullish. But if we do break that daily low, I'm gonna have to probably play the sells today. No cap. But if we do break that daily low, I mean, it should end up playing out beautifully, right? But you got clean traffic moving down here. But I think we'll figure out what it's gonna do here soon, right? I think because it's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down, right? Either way, we'll see, and we'll execute whatever happens. Amazing analysis, up or down. Yeah, I mean we're right at a key point here on the market, right? So it's either going to respect and go up, or it's going to not respect it and go down. I will say though, the sells were clean, bro, from up here. At least on the 4 hour, they were. On the 1 hour, did get a little ugly. I would have liked to have taken these sells right here, just because you could see, like, we clearly had some sort of a resistance here, right? Yo, good morning, Raja. That's what I'm gonna start calling you, bro. Starting to get a little ugly, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna watch the daily. If we break this low, my bias turns to sells. Oh, it just broke it. Alright. So let's look. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how we close. Let's see if this thing will give us a nice closure on the 30-minute, right? Should be simple here. The real question is, if this 15 closes below, I don't know, boys. That's a 50 pip stopper. 55 pips, so just gonna have to probably wait. We need to wait for the hourly, yeah, wait for the hourly or wait for the well, hourly and 30-minute, yeah, they'll both close at the same time. I will say, like, it is kind of valid, and this next 15 might melt, or it might melt some. Just because we did break that daily low, right? So it could start dropping. But I think that if we wanted to melt, it would have just done it right now, right? Let me change, yeah, there we go. It just juiced a little. She left us. She might. Hopefully she don't go too far though. This new 15 hasn't even printed yet. Excuse me. Hold on a second. I want to pull that 5-minute up on my other screen. Let me get rid of this fucking big ass thing I got going on here too. Yeah, and there's the weekly low as well, bro. I'm about to delete all these extra fucking zones. I had all these extra ones moved, marked up. We'll delete what we're focused on. $15 ain't bad. We need a good top wick. Let's look at what this is looking like. I don't know. I hate using the 15-minute candles, bro. They always fucking get stopped out. But if this thing does bleed, it's like a 30 pip stop. We'll see, we'll see. I think I might just wait, bro. I need to wait for that 1 hour closer. I need to wait for that 30-minute closure. While we're sitting here, let's look at NAS. Let's look at US 30. Let me get this fucking thing moved over some too, bro. Alright, so start with the weekly. Weekly for NAS. I mean, we did have a bearish candle, but it did make a new high and a higher high and a higher low, right? Once again, 4 hour closing with no top wick here. It did just make a nice bottom wick, but I would think that you would need this 1 hour candle to close above this area here, right? But we don't even want to trade NAS till 9:30. So we just wait, boys. We wait. We'll just give it another 14 minutes. Or whatever. 12 minutes. There goes gold. That's so funny. You can see me add shit from my other screen. So far so good, ski. But I don't want it to go too far though. Like I want to see. Like I want to see this next 1 hour, next 30 minute make a good pullback. Let's see what GJ is doing as well. I think if GJ can close below 167 too, I think we'll maybe melt here on GJ, especially now that this daily candle has made its top wick. Starting to drop down. We might see like a wick fill to the bottom side. I will say though, where even did this new 4 hour start? On this candle. Let me change GJ to bearish as well. I mean, unless GJ respected this and then like decided want to drive up, but I mean, even then, I would still need like I don't know, it's too damn ugly to buy it with then up here. This dude be looking like a bleeder though. No sound. I know. I was sending a video to someone. I know I was muted, bro. I'm not bad. I was showing Nasty, bro, cause he ain't in the stream. He'll be back soon though, bro. He might even be here tomorrow. We'll see. Hopefully, we get an opportunity on this soon though, because I won't lie, boys. Well, I mean, obviously, hopefully we get a good opportunity. Hopefully this shit don't do no fucking 8 a.m. starts melting, doesn't even make a top wick, nothing like that. If it does that shit, I'm ending the stream, bro. I'm getting off. I'm not fucking playing no games with this shit today. And plus, like, I got shit I gotta do this morning. I gotta meet up with the homie. Looking good though. Looking good though. I will say, bro. I would like a top wick, like a nice one, bro. Like a good, or not a top wick, bottom wick. Like a decent bottom wick. And then give us like a decent pullback, right? We just broke that low on the 15. Yo, what up, Aubrey? Maybe I'll freestyle for you today. I was doing it a little bit earlier. Or last night. He said, let's go. I'm a GJ monster, feed me dope. Heard a little boy say, want some smoke? Take his head off, it's a faster approach. What setup are you waiting for? I'm waiting for gold to close below here on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, and then we can take sells, bro. Alright. Look at the daily candle. Clean traffic on the daily moving back down. We just broke previous daily low. Or that's a weekly, my bad. But this is daily here, right? Broke the daily low. Also broke previous weekly low. 4-hour 2 breaking below here. Clean traffic on the left hand side down towards at least 1931. Right? So this should be beautiful. I just hope it gives us an opportunity to enter, bro. Like a good one. Ah, da 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 da. The US 30 is gonna go nuts, literally fly to the moon today. Let's look at US 30, bro. It looks like US 30 be juicing. It's actually crazy because Nasdaq does not. US 30, I do want to see it pull back though, bro. This shit has no bottom wick. I mean, yesterday it didn't even pull back. It had no bottom wick. Just kind of tapped into our zone here and then drove up. So we'll see. Look at UJ. All right, we'll look at UJ real quick, and then we're gonna get ready for gold. Look at UJ. So daily candle. It might be the same sort of setup as GJ, right? Daily candle making its top wick right now. I will say though, the fact that we came and broke below the low of here, tapped into the support on UJ. Ooh, I just price action a little dog, bro. 30-minute. I don't know. I do think UJ looks decent to move up though, bro. You just gotta wait till I think above like 128,400, or just even above, like wait till we break above this area here. We'll see though. I don't. Did it make? Yeah, never mind, never mind. 30-minute looks good. This fucking 1-hour candle though, bro. This shit is so ugly. And then this one has no bottom wick. But I bet you if you had like a 2-hour chart. Never mind, it still looks fucking cheeks. Alright, so this 15 is pulling back. This 30 is pulling back. If we can make like a good top wick in here on like the 1 hour or something. Nice top wick. And then start to drop down. Because it's moving by the futures market. What is US 30? But I want to see one of two things for gold, right? If it makes a good, like a minor top wick on this 1 hour candle, we'll wait for it to break the low, right? And then we'll keep our stop loss above the current candle top wick. But if it drives up, it makes a nice fat ass top wick and then comes down and flips, then we'll look to sell it on the flip. The low is very risky. How? It's confirmation that we're breaking 1 hour lows. Breaking a low is exactly, it would be perfect. Look at where it rejected. It's just pulling back, I think, for New York Open. Alright, cool. So yeah, if it breaks this low, I'm gonna sell right here, bro. Let's see. We'll put a sell stop in, right? And then our what do you call it? Stop loss will be here for about 35 pips. I mean, it looks good to me, bro. It looks good to me, bro. As long as, I mean, it might make a more of a top wick, so we'll see. We'll see. If it pulls back and starts making a top wick, then we'll have to wait and see. But I might just like give this a little bit of extra room though, boys. News coming in 25 minutes. Nah. Low impact news, unless where was it? We're not worried about it right now. Unemployment is a lagging indicator, and the only time that the Philly Fed I'm gonna pull this up on the other screen real quick, bro. Fuck, this is not what I want to see. Trying to show you. Oh wait, no. It wasn't the Philly Fed. It was the New York Fed, right? So they have a New York Fed manufacturing index, and that. I'm wondering if this might not be like a fake out here too, honestly. But I don't know. I still have a bullish or bearish bias because we broke daily lows, right? But whenever the manufacturing indexes come out, if they're ever lower than 0, then it would be a bullish factor for gold, bearish factor for the US dollar. But what was it? We had one time on stream where the New York, it was a minute ago, bro. I can't remember when it was, but it came out. It might have been here actually. No, actually. Where the fuck are we at? Alright, I will say if this does go drive down now, it looks good. You want this to push up and then for 8.15 we drop? I mean at 8.15 if this 15 closes below here, I think that will be good. But we'll see what happens. Yo, good morning, Mr. Grimm. How you doing, broski? A little bit late. It's alright. You haven't missed much. You're good, bro. No need to apologize. No need to apologize. Alright, so it looks like this thing is gonna make maybe a little bit more of a top wick. Let's see what happens, bro. I'm gonna keep my sell stop just right where it's at. But if it honestly could drive up, tap into here, and then start coming back down, that'd be beautiful. 15-minute? I mean, it's like we have this 4-hour support daily. I mean, the only way I'd be looking to buy gold is if we come back above here and maybe break. GJ opportunity for sell. No top wick on this 1-hour candle, bro. I can't take this. Today we have unemployment claims. Unemployment. Unless it's like absolutely, completely skewed from what they're looking at. It's a lagging indicator. See, it tells you right here too. But like they would need, so they're forecasting 177K for something to happen, like for a volatile move to come out. We would have to have like it come out to be like 600,000 or like 500,000, like way more people unemployed than. All right, boom, perfect. It tapped into here. Let's see if we can reject and start driving back down. This is a good 1-hour top wick if this thing were to come back down. I will say, I'm gonna move my sell stop to here, right? You'll get a better entry on the sells, and I mean, if it comes back down and starts breaking its own low again, then definitely we should melt. However, if we go up and break the 30-minute and 1-hour highs, the buys honestly. We'll see how everything closes. Actual lesson forecast is good for currency. It's cap, bro. I'll explain why here in a minute. It's on my Instagram though. We made a reel about it. It says if you go to my Instagram, it says Forex Factory users must know this. It's that. Anything related to currency being good is cap. They're dying. I mean, that's not true for all the currencies. Look, boys, how about I just pull it up real quick for y'all? Can anybody tell me why that it's not that it? If anybody could tell me why. You mean the USD? I mean, the USD is super bullish right now. USD's thriving, bro. You're not making much sense, family. The reason why the USD is so strong is because it's a global business currency. All business across the globe is conducted through US dollar, and it's also considered the world's reserve currency. So, whenever there's anything that has to do with, did you get the link to it? Yeah. Here, a lot of you guys. Ooh. Your news. You see how it says actual greater than forecast is good for currency? It's cap, bro. It's not true. It is true whenever like we have a normal economy that's not like in all this pandemic and all that bullshit. So do you see like where all these orange dots are kind of around here, around this 0.2 to 0%? This is like healthy levels of inflation. Look at all these years. 2011 the whole ways to like 2020 is whenever. So we're seeing these numbers way above here. This is like where the healthy range is for like inflation. So PPI is producer price index. So it's the price, the increase of price that it takes producers to make goods, right? Bro, we're way up here. There was a additional 0.8% increase on the cost it took producers to make, right? And there's GJ rejecting as well, right? Didn't make any top wick or nothing. Let's go back. Chinese yuan is becoming bigger. Yeah. Saudi will be using the Chinese yuan for purchase. It's in talks. Euro JPY view, please. Hold on a second. Alright, so I'm still gonna keep my my sell stop in here because we did go up and reject. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Yeah, let's look at Euro JPY, homie. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY looking hella bullish off the rip. Oh my goodness. I haven't ever looked at this. Well, I haven't looked in this pair in a while. So take what I'm about to say with a grain of salt. Actually, no. I mean, my analysis is always fucking. Let's start the monthly though. Like if I'm, ooh. I don't like the FXCM chart. Fucker. I will say if gold goes up and re-breaks its high, we probably are going to keep moving bullish. We'll see what happens though. So, Euro JPY. So we had this area here. Right, you can see respected it. Here, 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 and on this wick. On the monthly. We are at a weekly resistance currently, but above there though, beautiful moves towards up towards I'd say just like 145 flat. That might not happen until next week though. Daily candle looking good to move up. I would say, so this is what I would say for Euro JPY. Wait for this 4 hour to close, right? And then if this next 4 hour, if we can close above here, like as long as it doesn't come back down and close below here, I think you could still look to move up today on UJ, especially with this 1 hour driving up. And I mean, did it break the high? Not yet, but if it might, we got this 15-minute candle. It's probably making its bottom wick. It might keep driving up after it makes its bottom wick, right? So, ooh, I don't not want no fucking alerts or EJ, bro. But yeah, I think the buys will be better on the next 4 hour candle, right? Because you'll have a 1 hour support created, as well as this 4 hour closing above previous resistance, right? So it's not like this was a fake out or nothing. And then you'll just wait for like the bottom wick. It might pull back below here some, and then like when it starts to flip and drive up, should keep moving, right? Okay, so GJ made its top wick now on that 30-minute. Let's see what happens here, boys. Gold also looking 15-minute, 30-minute. I don't know, boys. I don't know, boys. Gold might fly. I think it might too. We'll see though. We still have to close back above here. You need a bearish 5-minute candle and then you're entering. This does make sense though to keep this sell stop here too and to break it this low, because then we'll be breaking previous 15-minute low as well. And you'll see this big ass red candle moving down. Entering in sells? Not yet, bruh. You see the sell stop? Just waiting for this 1 hour to pull back and do what it needs to do. But if we do go up and close above, we'll see what happens from that point. I just don't like to take the buys because we broke the daily low, but I mean, we'll see what happens. Oh, you're talking to MM? My bad, my bad. I'm assuming he is talking about sells though, because he said bearish. But as you can see, like, price keeps rejecting right here. I mean, so far, we can't say. US 30 dropping, gold going up. Just gonna be patient and wait. Let's see, let's see. I will say though, like if we break this high here, might keep moving up, but like I'll wait for the 30-minute to close above. See what happens, see what happens. Excuse me. I do think I'm gonna remove my sell stop though, boys. Right? I'm not really anticipating the sells anymore at this point, boys. I don't know. This shit looks too fucking clean. Excuse my French, but the 1 hour looking really clean to move up, right? I think this might have been a fake out. According to the H1, wait for resistance to form, and then take entry based off of the H1. I mean, like, it all depends where this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute can close back above here, then you would anticipate. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Sellers are liquidating their positions, taking profits. Buyers are now in short-term control. Yeah, like I said, right now. Even if this 30-minute closes bullish, if it drives up first, makes a top wick, comes down, breaks that low, boom, sells right there. But if it closes back above, I'm going to wait, right? It's going to be one of two things here, boys. We close below, wait for the sell opportunity, or we close above, wait for the buy opportunity, right? I mean... Alright, bro, this shit is starting to give me a fucking headache. I cannot be listening. Fucking... It's too early for this shit, bro. No FOMO, boys. No FOMO, boys. No FOMO. Look at this. Look at this 5-minute. No bottom wick or nothing. It's literally the first 1-minute candle in, bro. Just wait. Give it 3.5 more minutes. Da, 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 da. Simple. Just wait for it to come close above. Play beats from Alberti. Alright. Hold on. She gonna drop bad? Bro, where are you seeing that? Alright, MM. So when I take these buys, I want you to hit sell. If you're so confident, it's gonna drop. One of us will win. It's just so fucking ugly, bro. On the 1 hour looks good though. 1 hour looks good though. Three of us. Wait, three what? I mean, it depends. It entirely depends where this thing closes at, though, right? We'll see where we close, but three of us to win. Imagine the 4 hour drops up and flips this low ass top wick gets fucking. Look at the 5 minute. I know I have it up on my other screen. The only thing about the 5 minute is if this thing has no bottom wick, but if the same the thing is this 30 minutes should drop down, creating that bottom wick, and then boom, it'll tap right into where this is. So you're only gonna buy if we break 1947. I mean that makes sense too. But if we had a fake out, bro, this thing should juice on the next one, right? GJ is dog shit. True. EJ looking decent. It's doing what we anticipated. Alright, fuck GJ though. I was gonna look and see what it's doing, but I want to see gold. We'll see. Alright, make us a nice ass bottom wick, and then I'm gonna put my buy stop in above the high, right? I want to see you make a nice bottom wick. Drive, tap down into here. If it doesn't give us one, then tough, bro. The only other way you could maybe take this is if you had taken it at the break of the 1 hour high and then like had a 30-minute. Previous 30-minute, right? Boom. So it just broke that 1 hour high. Let's see what happens. It didn't give me a bottom wick, but this shit should fly, bro. Unemployment claims 184,000, 177,000. You have a zone at 1943, but let's see what happens. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I just feel like this thing didn't make a good enough bottom wick, and it might have just jumped because of that news that just came out. So unemployment's up by like 7,000. That's like not that much. Philly Fed's down a little bit. As long as it's above 0, we're good. But I mean, these would both be bullish factors for gold anyways. You have a new message on TikTok. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Someone send me shit, bro. See, the way I draw my zones are like higher time frame ones. Like those are the ones you'll see me draw like this shit, and then like this is all lower time frame where it's just one of these lines like this. If you have one of these, this is like a lower time frame intraday level, and then if you have one of these, this is like a daily or 4 hour level. And so what I'll do basically is just wait for it to come to these levels and then see how price reacts and then execute, right? Because why take it off of like an intraday level when you have a higher probability of something happen around one of these levels, right? You're gonna see more of a like, what do you want to call it, like price reacting. Alright, so I do see why you have a zone in 1943 though, so like if you pay attention to like these wicks and shit here, I see exactly what you mean. Like these wicks and that kind of tapped right around where my cursor is. Right around, I say like right here is where mine would be. So it's like 1944, 700. But we also might have different charts. Like I'm looking at the O and O1. Yo, what up, Sartha? Here for an hour. Let's hope we get something. Or it's a no trade day for me. So far, it's kind of looking like that for me too, bro. I mean, we did anticipate. Look at this thing. So the reason why I said this 4 hour might flip. Let me put my trend line in, bro. So if it does flip to bullish, you'll have something like this. And then obviously that was a fake out to the downside. And our daily candle doesn't even have a top wick. So, let's see what happens. I will say we did miss this buy just because this 30-minute did not make much of a bottom wick. I wanted to see it happen here. It didn't. So what? We missed our entries because it didn't make a bottom wick by 7 pips. Whatever. I fucking told y'all though. As soon as we broke that 1 hour high, juicer. Simple love fake out. Some 5-minute candles bussin'. Right above here though is some cleaner traffic. This should have no problem flying through here. And the 4 hour gonna flip here, bro. So let's see how this 4 hour closes too. US 30 drop, and I did read that. I think US 30 might be pulling back, bro. We'll have to see how this current 4 hour closes. Sheesh, bro. Gold flying, bro. Flying, bro. That would have been a beautiful ass trade if we could have got more of a bottom wick. This shit fucking. It's alright though, boys. Discipline, discipline, discipline. See how this 4 hour closes. See how, I mean, if you really wanted to risk it for the biscuit, wait till this 15 closes above here, maybe. But I mean, I don't really know your stop loss would, unless you could get a decent bottom wick. But I don't like using the 15 minutes for stops on gold. They always get fucking hit, bro. I only like using the 30-minute minimum. And I mean, that shit's like 60 fucking pips. Not even worth it. I think the new 4 hour might give us some plays. See, even Nasty agrees with me, bro.
Like guaranteed almost fucking buys right there. Shit, if that candle that made no profit.
What else did he say?
If it did end up closing like bearish below that support, then definitely sells and obviously until you get the confirmation for the buys. If it did.
Yeah, see, exactly, bro. Here, don't mind me, bro. Yeah, so it did do a fake out. We didn't get to take the buys because I wanted to see a 30-minute make a bigger, more of a bottom wick tapping into here, but this shit was a fucking juicer, bro. Juicer, 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 juicer. So we'll have to see how the 4 hour ends up closing. We'll see what happens though. I can't wait till Nasty's back on the stream, bro. I think he's gonna be in the he's gonna be in the voice with me. Oh yeah, look at it go, bro. But the reason why it's important to see how this like 4 hour closes, because if it closes bullish, then boom, we had a. Let me make this yellow. We had our initial low here, and then oops. If it closes bullish, we'll have a new higher low, right? And so what does that mean? We should probably print a higher high, and the daily candle moved down immediately, so we had no top wick. We'll see what happens though, boys. We'll see what happens though, boys. We would need an absolute menace of a like 1 hour candle or something to come and end up closing above here. But then again, then it'll be like 10 a.m. bro, and I ain't even trying to trade then. Dude, I feel like all these songs sound the same, bro. How about we go to this fucking... There we go. See how we close here, bro. Alright, I'm gonna run take a piss real quick. I'll be right back, boys. I'm back. What do you think of possible sells on GJ? I think if this GJ, I don't know. I think we need to close below 167 before anything on GJ, right? Dude, my shit got real laggy looking at GJ. That's how fucking shit it is. Alright. So our 15-minute did close bullish. This one, and I don't know. I want to see this 1 hour or 4 hour close bullish for gold, boys, and then maybe we can. At the break of previous 30-minute candle for GJ, I mean, it could reject still. Yeah, I see what you're seeing as well. I do think, like, after we made this huge ass top wick on GJ and rejected, like, technically this is like a daily resistance right here. Right, so, like, see how, like, we came up today, rejected. 4 hour actually printing a beautiful ass resistance right off of it. But I think we need to close below. I do think GJ wants to come down though. I do think GJ wants to make some sort of a pullback, bro. Too much. There's like this is such a clean traffic. Someone saying we could drop now, I guess. I mean, I don't know. 30 minutes bullish, 1 hour still bullish. We'll have to see how the 4 hour closes. And then even then, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. I think if this 4 hour does close bullish or bearish, my bad. And we already broke previous daily low here on gold. Still a good chance we can come back down, but I have to see. But then again, it's like, okay, so if we close bearish on gold and this one comes back down and say like within this next 4 hour candle you have a 30-minute close below here, but we don't break the low of the 4 hour yet, it could fake out again. If we break 1950, we're going up. Yo, what up, Josco? What up, family? What up, family? No trades for me today. Busy with traveling? Good, bro, because the market is fucking dog shit all day. Everything that, I'm not gonna lie, so everything was looking real good. Well, I mean, the daily candles look good for what I wanted to see, but then it just kind of did the complete opposite, right? Wanted to see like a minor bottom wick tapping into here, or even just like somewhere, it could have been anywhere, right? And then, like, cause this shit has no top wick on the daily at all, literally not a single, not even a little one, bro. You see, so it's like, I don't know. I think if you're looking to trade gold today, we'll have to see what happens, but obviously the best buys are right here where you have clean traffic. At least up towards 1963. I mean, from here to here, though, is still like, I don't know, 60 pip range, and then more than likely we'll continue trend, and I mean, that's another 100 basically from above here. So, I mean, we'll have to see what happens. GJ is also dog meat. Dog water, whatever you want to call it. You thought, yeah, that's exactly what I had thought too. That's exactly what I was planning to see on gold. Alright, so look, this 15-minute is driving up now. Made a little bit of a bottom wick. Or, I mean a decent one. Like, look at the 5-minute, right? Looks good. As long as this 5-minute could close above, I think we might get a bullish 4 hour printer here, right? But yeah. US 30 as well, bro. I mean, the US 30 does look good for buys, so. This daily candle got some clean traffic back up towards at least, I would say, probably 35,700. So it's like a almost 300-point move for US 30. It's DXY looking like, bro. Looking like it's starting to pull back some. Gold might be waiting today too, cause we had Powell testifying that due to participate in a panel discussion titled "Debate on the Global Economy." Hmm. Alright, so it is looking like we might get a nice bullish close here on the 4 hour, bro. So, well, not a nice one, but a bullish one. Oh, dude, why does it always open up so big, bro? GJ, what are we looking like? Close like a weaker bearish candle. I do think if maybe on this next 4 hour, if we can get a nice top wick, maybe tapping it here and then like come back down and break the low, that makes sense for GJ. When was the last time you got a trade on stream? Yesterday. We had a 15 pip win on gold sells from right here. Got stopped at break even though after we got 15. It came back down. It came down to here. Secured. Went break even. I just didn't make a reel for it because it was like, I don't know. I feel like it wasn't very educational. We break 1950, it's done for sales, I think. I'm just watching to see how the candles close. I do think if this next 30 minute can drive down, make a nice bottom wick for this next 4 hour, and then start to drive up, break the high, I'll probably look to buy gold. But I mean, yesterday's sell was extremely simple. We'll look. I mean, looking at the where was it? It was just like we traded for the we were bearish on the previous day, forming resistance. I mean, that was basically it, bro. I feel like my goddamn trading view be lagging some, bro. Mr. Syed, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta wait, bro. And sometimes you don't get trades every day. I just don't like to lose. Otherwise I woulda fucking what was it? I mean, I don't know. I can't even say like, oh, I would have sold here because I wouldn't have. Take buys on the next candle if we get a good bottom wick. Yeah, I think so too. So look, it looks like we are gonna close bullish here on this 4 hour, right? So if we can get a good bottom wick and then it goes up and breaks the high, then I think we can look to take buys on gold, right? But I need a bottom wick first, bro. So if it goes up and breaks the high, I'm probably just gonna fucking smash my screen. No, I'm kidding. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. If this breaks the high, I'm going to go, man. Yeah, me too, probably. Alright, perfect. Give us a good bottom wick first. Alright, boom. So look, if we go up and break this candle's high, I'm gonna put a buy stop in. But hopefully we don't break the. I mean, like if it does break the low, that 15 doesn't matter, right? But I'm gonna put a buy stop in right here. Give it a little bit of room. We have clean traffic on the left hand side. Moving up. I think if this respects a low here too of this M15, then it'll be nice. But it's like if we break the low of the M15, I mean there's clean traffic moving back down to here, so we might get a fat ass pullback. Go ahead and move up for us now, gold. But the thing is, like, if we break the low of this M15, all right, go ahead up. Go ahead and go up for us. I was gonna say, if we break the low of the M15, then we might have some more waiting and shit to do. Right, but just in case anyone is here, just got here or whatever, right? 4 hour close bullish. It's making its bottom wick right now. Once it starts to drive up and break the high, that's confirmation that we're moving up, right? We just had an extremely bullish 1 hour candle print. Huge fake outs from here. So once we go up and drive up and break this high, price should continue to move up, right? And yeah, it's cleaner on the like the 1 hour, 30 minute back up towards this area right here, 1952, 500. So far so good. So this was the first 5 minute candle, what you see right here, right? Closing above this area, still a good chance for this thing to go up. I wish this would have like made a little bit of a bottom wick, I'm not gonna lie. So go down and do that for us and then go up. Just want all my time frames to line up. We'll keep it on like the 30 minute, right? And we'll keep it on the 15 minute. Alright, so I did just get in these buys, right? So our stop loss is about 30 pips. And then our first target's up here for about 40. And then I'm going to go break even at like 10 or so pips and secure, right? So let me mark this up for you guys. Once we come to about right here, we're going to go break even and look to secure some. $40 but your stop loss is 30. Sheesh. I mean, it's gold, bro. How do you manage this trade if it goes in drawdown? So you would have to use like the 5 minute or something, right? Like if the 5 minute candle were to like come down and close bearish or like close like below maybe like these bodies here. right? But I want to see it just make a little bit of a bottom wick, right? Or like I guess if it starts to drop back down and like break below here, then you could probably look to manage risk, right? I mean, look at every time frame, right? 4 hour went up, broke that high, made its bottom wick. 1 hour as well, bullish. 30-minute bullish. Why are some of y'all getting nervous? Why is someone in here saying 40 pips, but the stop loss is 30? I mean, bro, if you're a risk to reward warrior, bro, it's still positive risk to reward. Let me adjust it perfectly for you. Where the RR doggo is at. Let me start barking, I'll find them for you. Woo, woo. Alright, so look, if you wanted to manage risk, technically here you could, right? So it's like this 5 minutes gonna close right here. It didn't make much of a bottom wick, but we'll see what happens, right? I'm personally just gonna wait, because this 15 minutes got about 4 minutes. I mean, like if it were to flip or whatever, and close bearish, I mean everything from like the 15 up though is lining up, right? So it's like you shouldn't even be worrying. Lol bosses. Alright, beautiful. Start moving up for us, gold. Good on the hourly bullish. Also, so like the thing is, this daily candle never made a top wick or anything, right? So this 4 hour close bullish. We'll see what happens, right? It's just like one of those things where trading's a game of probabilities. I think as long as this one closes, like as long as we close bullish, and then it's like if this next 15-minute makes its bottom wick, taps into here, right? It'll get that like liquidity or whatever how you want to call it, because it never made that bottom wick, and then start to drive up, right? But we got 3 more minutes. As long as this 15-minute ends up closing bullish, then probably not gonna do anything, right? But if you guys are ever uncomfortable in a trade, bro, feel free to close some stuff, right? Like feel free to close if you're not comfortable, right? Close like 50% or something. But if there's nothing telling you that the trade's gonna go against you, then I mean just sit on it, right? wild. All right, we got 1 more minute left. It looks like it's going to close bullish unless this next 1 minute, this 1 minute candle that this very last minute, unless it just completely fucks us, bro. 5 minute has a strong support now. If we hold it, we going up. Yeah. $20 left. Let's see how this first 15 minute closes. If this 15 minute will fuck me, I'm leaving trading. 'Alright, boom. So we close bullish. Let's see if this thing could just make a nice bottom wick first. Maybe like tapping it here. Otherwise, if it goes up, it hits our first like TP or whatever for 10 pips. I'm still gonna secure and go break even, right? Even if I catch a little dub today, at least it's something, right? A bottom wick and I'm in. Yeah, you could still get into this trade if it makes a bottom wick first. If you're not in it, right? But I wouldn't get in it unless it pulls back, right? And makes that bottom wick. Are you already in? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I should probably delete this. We're all in full margin. Go, don't do me like this. See, so look, 4 hour bullish, right? 1 hour bullish, 30 minute bullish, 15 minute bullish, right? And if you're looking at the 15 minute, the lower time frame, we made a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So we want this one to make a higher low and then go up, put us in a profit and make a higher high, right? But if it goes against us, then it's like, you know what? It's just welcome to the game. Welcome to the game. Hey, you're a mod now. Let's go. I made you a mod probably like an hour ago. Yeah, no problem though. I mean, you be active as hell in the chat. Okay, so let's look. I would say I want this thing to come and make a bottom wick and tap in here, right? But if we have this 5 minute close below here or something, if it doesn't come and stop us out right away, or whatever, then that's how you could manage risk, right? For whoever asks that. Right, but this right here is where I would want to see that bottom wick hit. At least like tapping it here, bro. And then it should look good. Just do that real quick for us, Gold. Either do that or just go up and give us or 10 pips. That 1949 seems like a little resistance. I mean, it might seem like it, but if you look left, I don't know, clean traffic, right? Alright, boom. So now go up for us, Gold. Don't go to our stop loss, please. Alright, it just tapped into where I wanted it to. If it's going to go up, let's see what happens though. Not looking good though, boys, so far. I mean, it's still like as long as we flip and drive up, we never broke the high. We haven't broken a low just yet. I mean, that's where our stop loss is at. See what happens. We'll see what happens. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Someone said US 30 lining up. For the sells. Or the buys. Yeah, 1 hour closed bearish. I don't know. The 4 hours bullish. See what happens. See what happens with gold as well. Alright, beautiful. Keep moving up for us, gold. Now I will say, if we do come back down and start re-breaking this low, it's probably going to come stop us out, right? So I would move my stop loss to here now. You'll save yourself another 5 pips, right? And the more that you guys do that over time, it'll add up, right? Yeah. Because I think if we come, if we re-break this 15-minute low here, and then it's going to just go straight to the 30-minute low, right? And then break that. As long as this 30-minute still does close bullish, though, I think we are in the green. What's the 5-minute looking like? And where the fuck did my music go? We also have NYSE volume here in the next like 6 minutes. Alright, so let's see what the 5 minute looks like. If this thing could close bullish, then I think the next one might be beautiful. I think as long as this 30 minute closes bullish, we're still good, right? Let that shit hang, Sam. Yeah, I mean, I still have my full position open, right? There's no reason for me to cut anything. Nothing happened. Right? I'm calm, cool, collected. I follow my plan. You know what I mean? Next one can be a juice, or looking like it will be. I hope so. That'd be beautiful. So look at how this 5 minute closed, right? We closed right at resistance. Or a little bit above the bodies, right? You can see a little bit above the bodies. If this thing makes a nice bottom wick, starts to flip, it might just juice right then and there. Don't do it, gold. Hug this fucking support. Now imagine this 5 minute flips. Fucking, it would be a rocket, bro. I don't see it happening. I think we need to wait for this next 30 minute candle, bro. I want to see this 30 minute close bullish. Okay, I don't like this song already. Let's go next. This is some fucking craziness on that lower time frame. Looking like it looks so chalked. If this 15 minute closes bullish too, even if it's like a minor body, I think we'll be Gucci. And if this 30 minute closes if this 30 minute closes bullish, We are in the Gucci, but if it closes bearish, I'll probably take some risk off the table if the 30-minute closes bearish, right? And then if this 15 closes bearish, if you wanted to cut some risk, you could go ahead and do that as well, right? Give us a bullish one though. Give us a bullish one though. Alright, so it is going to close bullish on this 30-minute, but I am going to keep my stop loss below this 15-minute candle because there's a good chance if it breaks the low of this 15-minute candle, then it's probably going to come straight down to the low of the 30-minute and then break that, right? Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. And I just got stopped out, bro. So that's tough. That's tough. US 30, someone said. Let's look at it. Ooh. Alright, so look at gold now. Oh, we didn't break that 30-minute low just yet. But we did get stopped out. So let's see what happens. I mean, I'm done for the day though, right? Done for the day, done for the day, done for the day. Definitely. Right, we followed our plan. It is what it is. Yeah, and so see what happens though. The move was done on the previous 30. And I mean, this probably was the trade right here of the day. I mean, we knew it was going to come clean up through here. We haven't broken that 30-minute low yet, but I think we probably, more than likely will, right? Let's see what the homie said, bro. I sent him a picture of my trade, and I said, you think I'm going to win or lose this one? He said, I think win.
That definitely looks like a win. That candle created like a super long bottom wick, it looks like, before it flipped to the top side. So, I mean, you should be Gucci.
Rip. Rip. That 1950 strong as shit. I mean, we didn't even hit 1950, boys. I want to see if this ends up playing out though, right? It doesn't look like it's going to at the moment, right? This 5 minutes about to close below here, and it just broke that 30-minute low, bro. Look at that shit. Sheesh. Straight fucking L, bro. It is what it is. Tough, right? But like, look at this shit, boys. So go to the 4 hour. We closed bullish. We made a nice bottom wick. It went up, broke the high. Go to the 1 hour, same thing. We were super bullish. Made a nice bottom wick. Went up, broke the high. 30-minute 2. Made a nice bottom wick. Went up, broke the high. 15-minute, same damn thing. Made a nice bottom wick. Broke the high. What can you do? What else can you do, right? Alright, boys. I got shit I gotta go do. I'm sorry for the L. I mean, you could be holding this right now like a fucking retard and be down negative 50 pips. But you know what? We cut the losses where the trade no longer makes sense. So, I doubt the buys are gonna play out. We'll have to see though. I mean, the only way I would look to buy gold today is if we come and close back above 1958. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Right? But we did save ourselves a few pips. We saved ourselves about 6 pips. So eventually that'll add up, right? Because what if we save ourselves 6 pips on the next trade? Boom. So then that's already 12 pips we saved ourselves. All right. We'll be back tomorrow. I think gold is honestly playing around because of this news coming out later today. Happens to the best of us. Don't worry. A lot of people took that. Probably. Are you talking about other streamers that people are trading and streaming, or are you just talking about people in general? Let's see what your US 30 be looking like. Oh, so it did pull back some. It's a dub. I'm about to just hop on here, like I said yesterday. Oh, look at Nas, bro. Other streamers like that? Okay. I mean, it is what it is. Because I know y'all have other streamers open in the chat. In my opinion, I feel like you'd be stupid if you didn't. And you know, why not? If you could have fucking 3-4 different people you could learn from or whatever watching, why not? But I'm going to head out. NASDAQ flew. Yeah, NASDAQ fucking about to break daily highs too. Gotta go, mate. Yeah, I gotta go too. I'm about to go meet up with the boy, that boy Nasty, and we're gonna cook something up. So I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow as always, right? Yeah, and then watch for that weekly breakdown. So we'll see what Jerome Powell wants to talk about later today, and there's a chance that it might have some impact on the market. But that's it for me, boys. So I'm gonna head out. Thank you all for showing up. And if you haven't already, leave a like on the stream and subscribe. And join the Discord too. Join the Discord for the links in the bio, the video or whatever, description. And Discord is a place to be, bro. But I'm gonna dip, boys. So I'm gonna catch y'all. Plan to do some backtests on soft Forex. Alright, nice. I'm gonna head out of here. And we'll be back tomorrow. So peace. Wait, we're gonna go to war real quick. Only OGs know. For the war you want it, this the war you get. Don't need no stylist.